What's up, guys? It's here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a accessory for your Google Pixel Buds Pro 2's, a case to be exact, and this case comes from Spigen. This is for your Pixel Buds Pro 2's, the Enzo Aramid, pretty much Aramid fiber case for your buds. So basically, if you're looking for a nice good protection case, this is it right here. If you have a nice aramid fiber case on your Pixel, whether it be your Pixel 9, your Pixel 8, your Pixel 7, whatever you have a very nice carbon fiber case and you want to match the aesthetics of your phone with your Pixel Buds, well, Spigen has you covered because they have a very nice premium aramid fiber case for your buds. And look at this, bam, looks absolutely amazing, feels good in hand, looks stylish. Damn, look at that. The Enzo case, you do have a adhesive sticker right there just to make sure this doesn't come off the top, which is good. Spigen branding there, very nice. Comes with a carabiner as well, nice quality carabiner, and an extra sticker just in case the one you have wears out, you have an extra one there for you. Very nice Spigen carabiner. Look at that, boom, little Spigen branding right there, nothing to it. Boom. Where are my Pixel Buds? And my Pixel Buds are right here. Very simple installation. As you can see, they're all dirty already. Look at that, dirty Pixel Buds. Let's go ahead and install this like so. You have a cutout there for the LED, as you can tell. Boom, very nice of them to have the cutout there. The button on the back works. You can touch it, as you can see the LED right there through the cutout as well. Very nice. And you do have your cutouts there at the bottom for the speaker and charging port, so those are there nicely aligned. The carabiner, if you want to rock this carabiner, goes right here, boom, like so. You can hang this on your backpack, sling bag, or anything like that. Very nice to have. And what you have to do with this right here is basically, does this go in the front like this? It does, right? Yeah, it does. So what we're going to do is peel this off and kind of just press it and hold for a good 5, maybe 10 seconds. Make sure it's on there pretty good. And one thing I like about this is that you see this like nice aluminum little accent there. It serves as a flipper. Boom, so you can just easily flip it open and expose your buds. Very nice on the back. The only thing exposed is the hinge, basically. Boom. But look, looks very, very nice. Looks very premium. Feels good in hand. Everything is nicely aligned. Very nice, good looking case. So now you have your case matching, your Pixel Bud case matching your personal phone case there. Boom. And this one right here is from later case, and look at it, absolutely matches, looks fantastic. Just this one's a little dirty, but look at this bad boy, absolutely looks amazing. Bam. So if you have any questions regarding this case, please leave them down in the comment sections below. Please like, share, and subscribe. Link to this item will be in the description of the video, so you can go ahead and pick it up for yourself and your own Pixel Bud Pro 2's. So without further ado, please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.